What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to learn a new subject. So ChatGPT can be easily used to learn new subjects and new info, since it's a very powerful tool that can you can give it a prompt and it'll give you like a detailed answer and will explain any topic for you. So let's say I want to learn about like drop shipping. So I can give it a prompt and ask it first to explain to me what drop shipping is, to explain what drop shipping is. Hit enter. Okay, and it will give you like a detailed answer on what drop shipping is. And here, if you do not understand, like let's say I viewed the answer, I read the answer, and I do not understand the process. So I'll ask ChatGPT to explain the process even more. So explain in more details the process of drop shipping. Hit enter. And it'll give you another answer explaining the topic in more detail. So you can ask ChatGPT to elaborate more on a specific detail of the subject that you want to learn about.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.